In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment method on Meta Business Suite. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and then log in into your actual Meta account. So Meta is actually connected with Facebook and Instagram, so you can just log in with those right here, or you can also log in with the Manage Meta account right there. If you don't have an account yet, proceed to click onto this Create New Account option. So since I already have an account, let me head over and then just log in. Now here is actually my Meta Business Suite dashboard. Now in order to set up a payment method, you first need to head over right here into this settings. And then after that, this should be able to open in here this window that you can see right there. So into this part, just head over right here to the accounts. Scroll down and here you can see this add accounts option. Once you're on your add accounts, next thing you need to do is to head over and add in here your desired add account. Now, in there, just head over and then assign in here some assets and you can manage it yourself. Alternatively, you can also head over right here to the All Tools option in order to see in here the billings and payments. So once you have clicked on the billings and payments, you should be able to see in here the accounts that will actually be under that particular ad account. Now from in there, you can see this payment methods. So you can specify which account will have the payment method that you will add. In this case, let's proceed to click on this. And in here, just head over and add in here some payment methods option. Just select in here the account that will have that. And after it's been selected, next thing you need to do is to head over and add and load that. Into this, click on this add payment method. Click on continue and you can set up payments by adding your region as well as your currency that you wish to use. Click on next and this will determine which kind of payment method you can actually utilize. So that's how you set up payment method in Meta Business Suite. Hope we